The white-lipped green pit viper. The green pit slithers on the ground, but it's often found in the trees, using its agile tail to grasp branches and its scales to blend into the foliage. It's found throughout Southeast Asia. But across the islands of Indonesia, this one small snake causes up to 50% of all venomous bites. Human fatalities are rare, but birds, small frogs, and rodents may not be so lucky. Once hidden, the green pit uses a combination of tools to hunt. First, the snake uses its tongue like a nose to track its prey, sticking it into the air to pick up scent molecules. Its two forked tips deposit the molecules into the Jacob's organ, located on the roof of its mouth. This organ tells the brain that the scent comes from a potential meal. Once locked onto a scent, the ambush hunter settles in place and waits, hanging motionless, coiled in a characteristic S shape, ready to pounce. As prey approaches, the pit viper employs its most remarkable attribute, its pits. These pit-shaped organs contain membranes which can sense the heat given off by warm-blooded prey. The snake processes the information with the same part of its brain that it uses for vision, resulting in a thermal image superimposed onto the visual one. This enables the viper to hone in on its target with pinpoint accuracy. Hinged fangs rest against the roof of the mouth, ready to pop open like a switchblade. They pierce deep into the mouse, releasing a hemotoxin which begins working immediately, breaking down and destroying blood vessels, causing massive internal bleeding. Once the toxin takes effect, the green pit uses its fangs to drag the prey into its mouth, head first and whole. This snake is probably responsible for more bites to humans than any other species in its range. But another viper holds the title of most dangerous. The Malayan pit viper. This nighttime hunter is less than a meter long, but it's armed with some of the longest fangs of any snake its size. It dwells in the lush coastal rainforests and bamboo thickets throughout much of Southeast Asia, from Vietnam to Java. But it's also common in overgrown farmlands, rubber plantations, and rice paddies. Places with plenty of prey and plenty of people. Unlike the green pit viper, this snake is a true ground dweller. During the day, the serpent blends into dead leaves or low brush, remaining poised for weeks on end. The greatest danger for humans is accidentally stepping on it. When disturbed, it doesn't hood like a cobra or shake its tail like a rattlesnake. Instead, it strikes without warning. One group of workers is particularly vulnerable: rubber tappers. They usually work at night, the same time the snake works, hunting its next meal with heat-seeking pits. Their pits are so sensitive they can locate prey thousandths of a degree warmer than the surrounding air. Lightning-fast reflexes make this strike swift. Pit organs make it precise, and fangs make it deadly. They're up to 2 centimeters long and deliver one of the world's most potent venoms. Hemotoxins destroy blood vessels and kill tissue. Toxins dissolve prey from the inside out, allowing the viper to swallow its meal whole and digest it over days. This bite can be fatal to humans. Survival depends on the strength of the bite, the strength of the victim, and the distance to medical help. The Malayan pit viper strikes using enormous fangs. But another snake can strike without ever touching its victim. The southern Indonesian spitting cobra packs a powerful venom and can deliver it like a sharpshooter. True to its name, it can only be found in southwestern Indonesia, from the islands of Java east to Alor. But within its small range, this 1.5-meter-long predator hunts in a variety of habitats: farms, fields, and urban areas. Anywhere human habitation encourages large numbers of rodents, a favorite prey. Like other venomous snakes, this serpent injects its venom through hollow fangs. But this snake may strike repeatedly. Neurotoxin venom blocks communication between the prey's nervous system and muscles, causing everything inside the rodent's body to stop moving, including the muscles that power the lungs. Death comes in minutes. Venom is this cobra's best weapon, but it's also a key mode of defense.